name is Kia Billingsley, back again with another video. Today, I just want to talk about this little dongle here. It's for iPhones, the newer iPhones, guys. As you can see, it's a nice little device. So, I'm trying to get this to focus. It won't focus, but guys, this is an adapter for your device. It has it to where you can plug in headphones and listen to music and charge your iPhone at the same time. Because as you know, these newer iPhones do not have a 3.5 headphone jack, guys. So on the newer iPhones, you cannot charge and listen to music at the same time without going to buy one of these dongles here, which looks very stupid. Looks like your phone is giving birth to something, but hey, that's how Apple wants to roll. So that's how I'm going to roll. So if you want to listen to music, you would get your headphones here. You would plug them into there, guys. And then if you want to charge your phone at the same time, I don't have the cord over here with me right now. You would plug it into there, guys. And your phone will look even stupider at the bottom. Come on, Apple, get it together. Your phone will look even stupider. Looks like I said, it looks like your phone is giving birth to something. Now it looks like your dongle is giving birth to something too. But like I said, that's how Apple wants to play. And if you buy an Apple, you gotta play the game, you know. You play to win. You win to play. So, guys, if you're out there and you want to pick up this device, I picked this up off of eBay for about $7, guys. I just wanted to show you what this looks like. This is so you're able to charge your device and listen to your music at the same dang time. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.